How to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted photos on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up your Photos app, and then you need to head over to collections at the bottom and scroll down a bit, and under utilities you'll find recently deleted folder. Just tap on it. It will scan your face ID when you tap on view album, and just choose the photo or video that you want to recover. Tap on it, or you can just tap on select at the top if you want to select multiple, and you'll find the recover option right there. Just tap on it and then recover the photo and video. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.